All right, what is going on, everyone? It is Bope here. We are here for ICP, week number 2 of ICP low tier. We are taking on Jack, aka Greyvee, and their Vancouver Titangs. Really excited for this one. We've had to push back a little bit, but I think we're good now. Beautiful. And he's searching right now, so we can hop right into it. This was a very interesting build, so I'm excited to see where this goes. He's got a pretty interesting team, big three of Hatterene, Suini Arcanine, and Terra Clawitzer. He just brings pretty much the 6 I was worried about. Rotom is actually a big hindrance, at least to my Milotic and to my Brian Thorns. My dedicated lead is my Brian Thorns. I've got Taunt and Spikes with loaded dice for Rock Blast. He doesn't have a Rock Resist on the entire team. Potential Terras on his Clawitzer, Water, Dragon, and Dark. I think Water and Dragon make the most sense. So yeah, I think we're good here. I'm just going to put in his 6 real quick. So he does not have the Krokorok. That actually would have been nice if I went with... I was thinking about a booster Thorns, like as a lead in the beginning, to kind of threaten, like maybe get a DD up, but still threaten Spikes. But yeah, no removal aside from the Hatterene, so I really like my Thorns lead here. I don't think he would go like hard into the Hatterene here. I think it's a really good win con for him in this matchup. Like Trick Room, Calm Mind, some sort of Fairy Stab, and Mystical Fire is like really spammable into me. No Witches. Oh, he leads with the hat, so ignore that. So I can kind of just go for a Terra and Taunt here. I don't want him to get up a Trick Room immediately. So that's kind of where I'm at. I can't set up Spikes in front of him either. So yeah, I think that's where I'm at. I'm going to make sure I Terra here, and I'm going to go for a Taunt. If he wants to switch hard into Rotom, the Taunt's fine there as well. So if he does damage to me right off the bat, that's totally fine. I just don't want him to get up Trick Room here. So he is going to switch. We'll see into what. If it's into Rotom, that would be pretty nice. What is that name? Isaac Sputin? Baton on this is great. He won't be able to Will-O-Wisp me, which is very nice. So I get Terra Electric off immediately, which is super nice. And after this, I can just go for a Rock Blast. That's pretty free. So that is super nice. And I like just going for Rock Blast here. I'm curious if he's faster than my Thorns. That would be interesting to see. But yeah, no Rock Resist on the whole team. Even if he... I see no reason that he would want to go hard into like Skarmory here. Just because Terra Electric is super threatening to that. But yeah, if this is max HP, max defense, should be doing like close to, if not over 50, which is super nice. He is faster, so he will be able to go for a Volt Switch here, just 39. Let's see if I can get any idea on that. So Volt Switch did 39. Yeah, so no special attack in on that. Goes back into the Hatterene, okay. We'll kind of be able to see his spread. See, we do get 4 hits, which is super nice. And that's a clean 2-shot, so I am just going to click it again. I'm curious to see... No, I'll Rock Blast again, no reason not to. Curious to see, that's a little over 60%. What kind of Hatterene is that? Might just be max HP. He's going to switch again into the Rotom. So I'm going to get a Rock Blast off on this thing as well. I might need 5 hits to get... Nope, it's still going to do 50. That's awesome. Okay. So he can obviously burn me if he so chooses. I don't think I mind going out into my Houndoom. I could also... If he Volt Switches here, what would he want to go into on Houndoom? Probably either the Arcanine or the Clawitzer. I'm totally fine if he Volt Switches here. Just gonna have to figure out how to navigate after that. We'll go into... I hate Jersey Joe. If you know who Jersey Joe is, I absolutely hate Jersey Joe. I get a Flash Fire boost, which is super nice. And I think I just go for my Overheat here. No reason not to, right? If he glows into Clawitzer or the Arcanine, I can get my proper pivot out, which is nice. So yeah, I'll just click Overheat here. I am Jetpack, if you didn't see quickly. Might just go Arcanine here, that would make more sense. Clawful good. I'll take the damage on the Clawitzer. It did like 30. Around 30. So let's get that damage real quick with Houndoom. It was like 30. So he's probably just max HP. Odds are, if I go Thorns. Oh, I didn't put in my new Thorn set. I gotta do that. Lightning quick. I should be able to two-shot this thing though. Come on, come on, come on. We are calcing live here, folks. We're taking this stuff seriously. Rock Blast does a good amount. And I do live pretty much anything that we want to go for. Yeah, I don't mind going Thorns. Yeah, that does look to be like 60, 65. It would be a roll with the Rock Blast here. I'm at 302, so let me just see. He's not AV, so he could be Spectacles. If he is Modest Scarf, he could knock me out with either a Water Pulse or Dragon move here. I think I just Thunder Punch. I'm going for Thunder Punch here. He is going to Terra. If he Terra's Dragon, no, it's a little bit of a misplay, but we'll see. He is Terra Dragon. Okay. So I'm going to lose HP on this, which is really bad. He outspeed me. No, he doesn't. This shouldn't knock him out. Oh, it does near nothing. Do I die? Oh god, no. Okay. Rock Blast should kill then. And I'll take either a KO or what have you. Yeah, I'll go for Rock Blast here. Yeah, this should be, with that damage, with Terra Dragon, I should be good to go here. He's gotta pick, he's likely gotta pick a sack here. It might be the Rotom. Nope, he sacks Hatterene. Okay. That's more than okay. Land of Rock Blast, Iron Thorns should pick up a KO here. Let's... Yeah, we see it. So Thorns KOs Hatterene. That opens up that opens up Metagross a lot. A lot. That also makes it super free to click dragon moves. Especially because Skarmory isn't going to love taking those in the first place. He can go Arcanine here. He can go Arcanine. He can go Slither if he knows that his Rotom is faster. Yeah, I'm curious to see what his play is, but getting rid of Hatterene is super nice. I could have risked it on the Rock Blast, but if he was Terra Water, the Thunder Punch was a guaranteed kill. So I don't mind that play too much. Having this much damage on Thorns was nearly guaranteed anyway. So it goes Slither Wings. I'm going to immediately go into Noivern. We're going to bring the Boom. If he U-turns, that's fine, because the only thing that's really punishing would be Arcanine. So he's silver powered, so boosting his bug moves. Okay, and that does 65. Okay, so 65 with Slitherwing, and it is silver powder. So let's keep that on the calc. Should go Arcanine, he does. So 65. So he is Jolly, which is good to know. He's Jolly on that thing. I don't want to go hard into... Actually, you know what? Arcanine doesn't kill me with anything from here. I kind of like... It would maybe be throwing Milotic away, but I don't have a great switch in here. So I need Thorns. Thorns is nice. I have a lot of things that outspeed the Clodser, which is the thing. But it's nice for the Skarm. I'm going to go hard into Milotic here. Let's see if this works. He goes for Head Smash. I should live. Yep. Okay. And I'm going to go for a Surf. With 279. Arcanine. H. Go Milotic. 279. So that is... It could be Scarf, but we'll see. Oh. Okay. He art swaps. I don't know if I two-shot the Clodser from here. No, God, no. I could have flip turn there. Could have flip turn there. I don't mind going into Grimmsnarl here. Because I can just parting shout out on this thing, or set up a screen. But just by that, it makes me think that Arcanine isn't Scarf, which is good to know. Goes for a Dragon Pulse, cool. I can get up a late screen here. Could also just go for Spirit Break if I don't think he's running speed on this. Which he could not have. I think I'll actually get a Reflect up. I'll go to Reflect up here. As for a Water Pulse, should eat this up well enough. Okay. He's definitely got speed on this. I think I'll go for a parting shot, actually. If I go for a parting shot, I can... Let's see. Can I lock into move here? Actually, just go for a Spirit Break. And KO this thing. Just for Water Pulse, that's fine. We'll just take this thing out. So Grimmsnarl KOs Clawitzer. So that was my first screen of thing of Reflect gone. Clawitzer is gone. That is huge. That is huge, man. Whatever he goes for here, he goes Skarmory. Okay. I don't have Taunt, but I will just Parting Shot out on this thing. Reason not to. I think I can actually go Milotic here. Can also go Skarm to it left Body Press from there. Skarm. I've got a Reflect up. Houndoom. Yeah, I should eat that up fine. So I'm actually gonna go Houndoom. Gets up a layer of spikes, that's totally fine. I like going Dark Pulse here on Arcanine potentially coming in. Yeah, how much is Arcanine? H. Okay, Dark Pulse does a good amount, so I'm going to go for a Dark Pulse here. Does switch. Let's see the Arcanine here. Nope, he's just sacking off Rotom. That's totally fine as well. Alright, so Houndoom KO's Rotom here. Nice, man. He does have Spike Up. He does have Arcanine, which is super scary. Here it is right now. I am going to go for a Destiny Bond. I think I want to do that. But it is really nice for the latter two. I don't know. I think I can sack Milotic off here. I don't think that would be the worst thing. And then I could go Metagross. I like that sequencing because I can... I don't know if that's great, actually. He's going for a rock move here, surely. I'm going to go Metagross. I have Akka in case he goes for Flare Blitz, so... Okay, takes Spikes. Goes for a Head Smash. Okay, I'm at 213. Do I live a hit with Akka? Metagross. Oh man, yeah, I do. I think I go for Knockoff. Just calling the Skarm here. Yep. Nice. Nice, man, nice. Break it sturdy as well. Covert Cloak. Okay. I'm honestly not sure what that's for. Again, I'm just fine going Houndoom. Let me see how many reflect turns I have. Can I see that? I got 2 turns left. So yeah, I'm totally fine with that. I have no reason not to go Houndoom. Just make the same play as before. It might be in range of first impression from Slitherwing, which might be an issue, but goes for a Roost. Okay. Yeah, I just go for Dark Pulse here always. Okay, we'll get the damage on Arcanine here. Okay, nearly a 2-shot there. I think we can just sack off the Milotic. I'm trying to think here. So, Brian is nice, but I don't think it's as necessary as Houndoom is here. Do I beat Skarmory otherwise? I think I'll just sack off the Milotic here. I don't know if I live around a Spikes. I think I'll sack off Thorns just in case I do live around a Spikes. I should calc that actually, but it's fine. I should actually live it with Milotic. Alright, so Arcanine's going to be able to kill Iron Thorns off, which is totally fine. Thorns did great here, my god. So Arcanine KOs Thorns. Okay, and I should be able to just go Milotic here and click Flip Turn. Yeah. If I live. We'll see if I live. I do. Okay. If he has E-Speed here, we'll see that as well. But I'll just go for a flip. I probably should have thought of E-Speed before I went into this. Probably should have thought of that, but it's okay. It's okay. He probably just E-Speeds here. That was a misplay, and it just got rid of one of my sacks, which is unfortunate. He is swap. Okay, so he might not have E-Speed. That's totally fine. He goes Slitherwing. Great. Great. Okay. Let me work with Houndoom here with Slitherwing. It's shown to be... Oh, I can just... God, I can just go Noivern here. I can go Noivern and click Air Slash into Draco. Well, let me see if Houndoom lives a first impression first. My goodness. God. I have like a million thoughts in my head. I'm just really glad how this is going, to be honest with you. This is Silver Powder. Alright, first impression. Yeah, it shouldn't be killing me from here. I should be good to... No, I think my better play is to go Noivern, because he can just go Arcanine on my Houndoom. So I think my play is to Draco here. I can Draco on the Skarm coming in, and I can U-turn on that. If he stays in with this thing, I don't know if he would. Actually, I have no reason not to Air Slash first. I have no reason not to Air Slash first, because I really don't think Arcanine is Scarf. Okay, this should be gone, and it is. So Noivern's able to KO Slitherwing, which is awesome. Noivern KOs Slither. Okay, great. Now he goes Arcanine. So I choose my second sack, which is Noivern here. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, I have no reason not to go Milotic here and just sack it. Okay, so Milotic dies to Spike, so it dies to Skarm. Skarm KOs Milo, and it locks into Head Smash, of course. Of course, of course. So we go Metagross here. Just want to make sure still that I live without Reflect, Arcanine. Actually, I can just go Grimmsnarl first and set up a Reflect, and that makes things way easier here. So I'll go Grimmsnarl first. Alright, and I will get a Reflect up. Okay, so Reflect is up, keeps landing these head smashes. Arcanine is going to take out Grimmsnarl, but Grimmsnarl does great here. KOs Grimm, and I'm good to just go Metagross here. I can also go, if he Scarf Noivern, or God, if he Scarf Arcanine. Arcanine. Can I go Noivern here? And Reflect. I can actually. God. But I'm going to go Metagross first. I'm going to go Metagross first. I don't think you stay in. But I'm just gonna EQ. Or I can... Do I knock this thing out with Heavy Slam? With Metagross? I should. So I'll go for Heavy Slam here. It's fine. It's just to break Sturdy on the Skarm. That's all I'm trying to do. Okay. Totally fine. I will go Noivern here. Or actually just go Houndoom. Yeah, just go hard Houndoom. If he doubles, honestly, great. Great play. This has been a really fun game, so goes for Body Press, should be able to live that totally fine. Nice. Okay. I think I just go for Flamethrower here. I think that's just my play. I can also... trying to think. I just kill with Flamethrower here, so I think I Dark Pulse. Because I should be able to win it with Noivern plus Metagross after that. I'm going to Dark Pulse. Nice, okay. Nice, okay. So I think I just sack the Noivern here. Let me think this through. Whew. God, this has been a great game. I have to swap here. I think I go Noivern. Yeah, I'm gonna go Noivern here. Is Scarf, obviously. Did he go for Fire move? It was for Wild Charge, okay. Oh my god, that did 0. That does 0. I'm gonna go for Draco. Okay, that did 0. God. I'm going to Roost here. And an Air Slash just to break Sturdy. Do I actually lose? Oh my god. Oh man. This is just me playing with a veteran right now. So, and I don't have Flamethrower. I switched Flamethrower to Air Slash like very last minute. I'm just gonna click Draco again. Doing nothing. I'm just gonna keep clicking Draco. Okay, he chooses to Roost there. I'm just trying to think. So I need to just get this chip down and get Houndoom in on a turn where he clicks Roost. And Metagross is doing all sorts of nothing to it, so... I'm going to U-turn this turn. Okay. I don't think he roosts. I think he goes for Body Press here, so I will go Metagross. I think he Body Presses here. We Iron Defenses. Okay. That's pretty gross. Alright, so I will just click knockoff. I think that does the most damage here. Maybe not. Oh my god. He's used 4 roosts, I believe. Click Heavy Slam, see if it does more. Oh my god. I'm choking. I think Houndoom dies on switching now. I think he wins. I think he honestly wins. Yeah, I lose. I lose. Yeah, I lose. I think the only reason I would win is to just stall, but I don't want to do that. I definitely lose. Yeah. Scarm just KOs with body press. I can go Noivern first, but it's just delaying the inevitable. Yep. Yep. GG's to Jack, man. My god, I had him way down, but he climbed out of this real easily with that Scarf Arcanine. I think the only thing I can do is try and position myself in a spot where I just have higher HP. I think that's the only real thing I can do. But yeah, he deserves to win this game. The spikes were huge. I just have to Draco here. I don't want to bring it down to timer, so that's not the way I want to win. Yep. I just have to hope for like a crit or something of that nature. Yeah, Draco again. Yep, Bruce again. Yeah, just kind of banking on a crit at this point. A Roost here. Oh, he got the crit. Or no, it's because I lost my flying typing. That makes sense. I'm just going to Draco. Just to go out with a little bit of dignity. But yeah, GG's to Jack, man. Scarm was really annoying here in the end game. Not having boots on Houndoom kind of was the end of me here because I wasn't able to safely switch into Houndoom as God. Are you kidding me? It lived the whole time. Are you kidding me, Jersey Joe? You bitch. It lived on 1. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? That was great. I can't even be mad. I was just silent there for a second. I can't believe Houndoom lived the spike. I can't believe that. Maybe I should have looked at how much the one spike was doing. That was my fault. I could have done something there, because maybe not. I don't know if Arcanine... I don't know if there was any way without screen that I lived. But GG's to Jack, man. He played that end game phenomenal. He was down 6-3, and I was still super worried. So GG's, man. He's a great player. I feel like I could have played that end game better. I'm gonna kind of look back on it and see kind of what I could have done, but I can't be mad at all. That was just really well played. Not having something to hit the Skarm with Noivern or Metagross pretty much just ended me there. Also, just not realizing the spike stuff, but hey, I'm still trying to get better as we all are. So yeah, shout out to Jack. Make sure you're checking out him and the other coaches down in the description down below. And yeah, we will see you in the next one. Peace.